uh, education is such a basic thing, and there should be some example which should be shown to those childs, those who are roaming around on the signals, so that and their parents as well, so that they can understand the importance of the education. There should be some people, there should be some child, should those should be picked up from there, or those who picked up earlier and then they are doing good, and that's how we can motivate the people, we can make them realize the importance of the education. So as an education minister, I would have set example among that class of the people, that yes, the people are successful, they have studied, because they have learned something, so that should be done. And we as a if that class will not get the education, it's not possible for the country to grow. We will keep on seeing the people like around us like that, and these people later on becomes the, they start snatching the things, and they made the life of the people, those who are educated enough, because they disturb the life of those. So it is better to make them educated, and the education minister, that there should be some kind of threshold, that yes, we have to spend some money on that particular category, so that we can bring them in the mainstream. That's what my take on
Right, sir. Thank you, Sunilji. In fact, the money is being spent to that, that set of society, but that right use and effective use of money is a challenge. And I'm
it. Yes.
sure. Thank you, Sunilji, for raising that. Now, I would request Savio, your concluding remark, and what would be your idea as the then we'll go to Aditya and Alshri.
Well, if I am made the education minister, Rajulji, I would make sure that most subjects become activity oriented and that there would be a compulsory introduction of music and dance at the foundation level.
Okay, absolutely. Thank you, Savio. Ashu, ma'am, over to you. Your concluding remarks, and what would be your priority as Minister of Education?
Uh, Becoming a education minister, oh my God, thinking that it comes with so much of responsibilities along. But if I can say on a lighter note, I will say to the children, "Ja ji le apni zindagi." Let the child blossom. Instead of imposing the things over the children, we should give them freedom to choose life and their education also, which is not actually being done by us being the teachers or the educators or the parents. They always keep on saying, IIT karna hai, ye karna hai, you have to become a doctor, an engineer, or something like this. They never say become an actor or become something or animation or something else. Choose your passion as your profession. We have to make them believe this, that nothing is imposed over them. The child should blossom. So this I feel is required. And if I want to say on a serious note, we have to change our conventional methods and come to the reality, how we should succeed in life and become a good human being. Education should teach us to become a good human being. That is the most important thing. It is not only to earn a large amount of packages, because this is a fact that we all want to have a good theft of money with us, but the most important is to be a good human being. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely. This is a wonderful suggestion that students need to be encouraged towards the other parts of the professional life. They need to be given that kind of exposure to other areas. Thank you, Ashu ma'am, for raising that. Now, I would request Aditya ji, your concluding remark, and what would be your priority as Minister of Education?
A beautiful dream to think of that I am the educational minister. Thank you so much for giving this thought process. And as an educational minister, my three main will be the key areas. Number one, instead of schools competing in forecasting who is the best, who has contributed most towards the development of the nation, who has produced more meaningful professionals, number one. Number two, we'll try to create an environment which helps us in repeating history creating persons like, if I talk about a musicians, someone better than Tansen. If I talk about intellectuals, someone better than Birbal. If I talk about Maharaja's leaders, someone better than Shivaji Maharaj. If I talk about educators, someone better than Swami Vivekanand. And if I talk about businessmen, someone better than Dhirubhai Ambani. So repeating the history will be the next trend. And thirdly, equal opportunity to all the students, all the persons, all the citizens of India, based upon their intellect and personality, not on the basis of caste, creed, color. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Absolutely, that should be the end goal. That your uniform distribution of fruits, among all the citizens. So big thanks, Aditya ji, Ashu ma'am, Sunil ji, Savio ji, for participating, and wish you a very happy new year to all of you, all the participants, all the
From
key
my
speakers.
side, Happy New Year to all.
Thank you.
Yes, a very happy and happiness new year to all of you.
राइट, हम आशा करते हैं स्कूल जल्दी से खुले, है ना। और
Definitely.
आशु मैम, आपने कहा कि मिनिस्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन बनना बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है, पर पिछले जो 1.5-2 साल के अनुभव हमारे अलग अलग स्कूल लीडर्स के साथ रहे, हमें लगता है कि स्कूल प्रिंसिपल के ऊपर ज्यादा बड़ी जिम्मेदारियां और ज्यादा आई वुड से बैंडविड्थ उनकी कम है। एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर फिर भी थोड़ा आसान होगा। राइट, सो बिग थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.